Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Pixel phone when it can't send or receive SMS messages. This is a frustrating issue that can happen for various reasons, but I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that should get your text messaging working again. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to try is a simple restart of your device. To do this, swipe downwards from the top of your screen to reveal more options in your notification shade. From there, you'll see a power button icon. Tap on it and then select Restart from the menu that appears. This will reboot your phone completely, which often resolves temporary glitches that might be preventing SMS from working properly. Wait for your device to fully restart before checking if the issue is resolved. After your phone restarts, try sending a test message to see if the problem is fixed. If you're still experiencing issues with sending or receiving SMS, the next thing to check is your cellular signal strength. Swipe downwards from the top of your screen again to open your quick settings panel. Take a look at your signal indicator. If you notice that you have low signal or no signal at all, this could be the root cause of your SMS problems. When your connection to the cellular network is weak or unstable, text messages simply won't go through. To refresh your network connection, tap on the airplane mode icon to turn it on. This will disconnect you from all wireless networks temporarily. Wait just a moment, then tap the airplane mode icon again to turn it off. This action forces your phone to reconnect to the cellular network, which can often resolve connectivity issues that were preventing SMS from functioning. Give it a few seconds to re-establish the connection. Now, if none of these steps have resolved your issue, there's one more solution that should definitely fix the problem. Head over to your device settings by opening the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on System to access system-level options. Within the System menu, scroll down until you find Reset Options and tap on it. This section contains several reset functions that can help troubleshoot various issues. In the Reset Options menu, look for and tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. This option is specifically designed to restore all your cellular network configurations back to their default state, which can fix problems related to calls, data, and SMS messaging. When you tap on it, you'll see a button that says Reset Settings. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your device password for security purposes. Enter your password to confirm and the reset process will begin. This will only take a moment to complete, and once it's done, your network settings will be refreshed. And that's it. Your Google Pixel should now be able to send and receive SMS messages properly again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.